Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export Microsoft Teams chat history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, a small menu will appear. Here, look for the option labeled My Microsoft Account and click on it. This will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various settings associated with your account. On this new page, you'll find multiple tabs, but what we're interested in is the Privacy tab, so click on that. Now that you're in the Privacy section, scroll down and look for an option labeled Teams. As you might guess, this is where all the Microsoft Teams data settings are stored. Clicking on Teams will bring you one step closer to retrieving your chat history. Following this, you should see an option for Chat History. Click on Chat History. This is the dedicated area that Microsoft provides for retrieving data related to your conversations. Finally, you'll find a button that says Submit Request. Clicking this button will officially start the process of exporting your chat history. Microsoft will then handle your request, and once completed, you'll receive an exported file of your chat history. And that's it. So that is how you can export Microsoft Teams chat history. So that's all for this video. Thanks.